There are several shortcuts available within Windows. Let me show you 5 such shortcuts which can help you to speed up your workflow. So the first one I wanted to share, that is Windows key plus P. What it will do, it will give you option if you wanted to project your screen elsewhere, or maybe you extend your display with another monitor, you will be able to do that. Normally what we do, we use function key and specific shortcuts based on your hardware model. We generally select that. So this is the shortcut you can use all the time. So P for projector, Windows key plus P to get this particular menu, and from there you will be able to select which display you wanted to configure. So that's number one. Now number two is how to minimize all of your open windows. Currently you can see I kept some 4 windows open here. If you press Windows key and then D, all the windows will get minimized then and there. So this is an excellent shortcut. Whenever you are working, you wanted to go back to your desktop, so Windows key and D, so your desktop will be visible and everything else will get minimized. Now while we are talking about to minimize different windows, there is another shortcut you can use. That is Windows key and M. That also will minimize all of the windows, and if you press Windows key then Shift and M, then everything will be back in your screen. So this is quite useful. Windows key and M to minimize everything, and Windows key Shift plus M to get back all those windows as it is. Another very important feature, that is to manage your windows properly. And if you hold your Windows key and then you select any of the left or right arrow, what it will do, it will give you option to snap that particular window in a specific way. If I press Windows key and then left arrow, you can see now this is snapped to left. And if I now release that Windows key, it will give me option that I can choose any of the other window to choose, and side by side I can work on. So I can select another Excel. So if I need to compare 2 Excel files together, or maybe I need to take a note from one window to another, this is an excellent feature using which you can do that. Now let me show you all those options available here. I have only one window open here. If you hold Windows key and then press left arrow, it will snap to left. Now if you hit right arrow, then it will come back to the normal state. And another time if you hit right arrow, it will go to right. If you click up arrow, it will take 25% of your screen. If you press down arrow, it will again come back to the normal, and another down arrow means it will take bottom right corner of your page with 25% of the screen real estate. So this is the way you can use this particular snapping feature using this Windows shortcut. This particular facility is not available in Mac, and there we need to use some external software to snap your windows and manage all of your windows. So if you are using Windows computer, this is one benefit you have on top of Mac, and you will be able to use this particular feature. Now the next one, here we all take screenshot whenever we are using our computer, right? Now if you hold your Windows key, then Shift and S, that snipping tool will get invoked. There you will be able to select any of the option if you wanted to rectangle or any particular specific freedom shape, and or maybe full screen. All of the options you have available, you can select any of them and you will be able to take a screenshot of whatever the area you wanted to do. It will take that particular screenshot in your clipboard and you will be able to paste in whichever application you want. So this is another shortcut using which you will be able to invoke this snipping tool, and you will be able to take screenshots very quickly. Now let me talk about the fifth and the last tip of this particular video, that is Windows key and tab to get the task view. What are the things are already open that you will be able to see in this particular task view. You just need to hit Windows key and tab. Now we covered all of our 5 tips. Now let me give you another bonus one, and that's very useful one. If you hold your Windows key and then press L for lock, your computer screen will get locked. Let me do that. I'm holding Windows key and then pressing L. Now my system is locked. So this is the way you can use these features, and I hope you will be able to utilize it in your day-to-day work, and this will definitely help you to expedite your workflow. I'm going to publish another video where I'm going to share 5 more such tips. Check out the end video card if you are interested. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you wanted to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.